Guys, finally I met Nairobi workers.
It's Nairobi worker, guys. So today we're visiting Claudia.
Yes.
So we've already to YouTubers.
Yes,
And you know what?
We have to
Sprite for her for walking around Nairobi, okay?
Yes, so that I can,
Yeah,
so that I can
yeah,
get the
Just
energy.
touch it. Same as for my brother, for me.
And for you?
Yeah, let's go now. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm good. Been a while. Nico.
Those whites, did you cut them?
No.
They were here. We got content. We could have asked them wanatoka country gani. Look at this. Wanatoka country gani. Ameacha tu akaenda.
I've just arrived now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, Claudia ingianga town late. Mnasikia hiyo? Hiyo ingianga town late.
I'm always a late comer.
Yeah, but we're gonna get to skate park side tuonyeshe what's happening, isn't it?
Yeah. Because of traffic jam, huh? Yeah.
Where do you come from?
Oh, I come from far.
Yani,
Natoka mbali.
ametoka through the strangers.
Yeah.
Niliona by the guys, niliona crowd huko nyumbani akijaribu kumilk cow. Is that it?
That's called village life, eh?
Maybe we saw it like Wella Farmer, senior.
I'm a mama. Yes, I love farming.
Baby girl ni farmer. What are you saying, guys? And hey guys, make sure you subscribe to Nairobi Walker, my farm. Make sure you subscribe to Crowded to get 3K, please.
Yeah,
And
right.
2,000, okay?
Not only 3,000 subscribers, also 5,000.
5,000, okay. So we are saying right now you need road to 3K. When
Yes,
you get
3K,
it, right?
yeah.
Yeah, from 3K, we're gonna get her to 10K, not even 5K.
5K.
Yeah.
10K.
Yeah. Okay, and if you're watching my video, Nairobi workers.
For the first time,
Yeah, Nairobi
we are the
Walker.
Nairobi Walker.
Yes,
you
make
know what's the channel, right?
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah, we can't.
Io voglio far potete. In country gani?
I don't know.
Which country is that?
I don't know.
We have plenty in town.
Yeah.
And guys, we don't know what country is that, but we see your language in your language. We don't get it.
If
Maybe near my Espanol.
if you come from that country,
Yeah.
if you can hear the
Comment
language,
down below.
comment below. And finally, guys, we are getting into the street with
Nairobi Walker! Special edition.
Let's go.
Special edition.
Yeah.
Guys, we're
Special.
heading to a better street.
Uh-huh.
Claudia, guys.
Yeah.
So make sure to subscribe to Claudia.
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
And if you're
Right
watching,
all the way.
and if you're watching from Claudia Works, make sure you.
man.
Oh, how are you?
Young Navi, man.
Guys, here with Claudia Walks, we met young Navi here on the streets. Bro, where have you been? Bro?
I've been healing.
You've been healing?
I've been healing.
Oh, your hand is
so
okay now?
my hand is
Guys,
broken.
when last time we found young Nav, he had a problem with the hand, right?
Yeah,
Now
yeah.
the guy is okay. We are happy to see
Back
him in
to
the
the
street
streets,
again,
man.
right? Yeah.
Please.
Support, what can you say to this are new audience here? Tell them your name and everything.
Yeah.
My name's Naf,
Yeah.
aka Young Nafi.
Young
On
Nafi.
Instagram.
Yeah,
Ukitaka vizuri, we
Yeah.
DM tu.
yeah.
Ukisikia anything
But
unataka.
then for
Photography.
you know, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hapa kwa street.
Yeah.
Everything you want. Content fully loaded.
Kama uko na mkoa wako, nilete hapa.
Mapicha safi safi, guys. Yeah, this is the guy. This is the guy.
Yeah. Kama utapata huyu jamaa, make sure you contact Claudia Walks.
Claudia
You
Walks.
can get it, okay?
Okay,
He
okay,
knows
okay.
the guy, yeah?
Yeah.
So what can you tell? What about the newer challenges? What do you think of newer resolution?
Near resolution.
Uh-huh.
Hapo achieve nini this year?
Nikuwa tu na pesa kwa mfuko.
Guys, did you hear that?
No, everyone
Kila kitu
everyone is wishing to have money, guys.
Yeah,
Everyone is
everyone-
wishing to
Okay,
have
the
money.
issue is not having money.
Uh-huh.
Pesa iko, lakini kuwa nayo kwa mfuko. Sasa yuko kuwa nayo kwa mfuko.
Sawa. And what can you advise someone who wants to visit this country, this Nairobi, Kenya, this city?
Yeah. What can you
Nasema
tell?
Nairobi.
Uh-huh.
Watu kaa macho. Kama na hii kaa macho.
Guys, be careful. Be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful.
It's a serious note, guys. Yeah. Ukiwa Nairobi, you should be.
A kid like this can come and tell you, give me soda and you give her, okay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Just small kids, eh?
Yeah.
Show some love.
Hapo sawa.
So that's happening in the streets. Young Nafi here. Make sure you follow this guy. Claudia walks all through, okay?
Yeah, make sure to subscribe to Claudia Walks and Nairobi Walker. Kama kawaida.
That's it.
Hapa saa.
Content hapa. Guys, so me and Claudia tunaingia Kenyatta Avenue right now. You can see people are watching us. Sahi tunaingia. Oh my god, NSP. Oh, these guys are on KRG. KRG. Hi. His piece is going on. So guys, you see the guy there? Tunaingia town. It's happening. You see my girl here. Leo na enjoy makuona ma TikTokers, isn't it? Yeah. So tell your people something.
Guys, if you are watching from for the first time, make sure you subscribe.
I
hope you are enjoying the video, guys.
Yeah. So guys, we're heading to a better street.
Yeah.
To Bank of India.
Bank of India. A lot of TikTokers there.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Come on. Tunaenda Nairobi street vibe, right? We're gonna meet a lot of people there. We're here with Claudia Walks.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet our favorite TikTokers. Everybody else knows Nairobi Walker. We don't go to street. Can we do this street fast?
Which one?
Yeah, let's do this fast. Yeah. So, guys, we have
Oh, nice move, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, look at this, guys. This is what happening here in Nairobi, Kenya. So I'm Claudia Walks on YouTube. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Nairobi, who wants to visit Kenya, who wants to visit Africa?
I'm CKV at TikTok.
Yeah.
Just the username.
Yeah, I'm Claudia Walks.
Ah, okay.
What can you advise someone who wants to visit this city?
This city.
Yeah, this city.
This city is free. You can visit it anytime you want.
Okay, guys, you can visit anytime you want. This is a free country.
Hey.
It's happening right now from Nairobi, Kenya. Hi. I'm okay.
Yeah, it's happening, right?
Yeah. This is Nairobi Walker, guys. We are just enjoying the street. We are trying to get the vibe.
Like all the time.
Yeah.
So guys, Bank of India, Nairobi Walker.
Oh, look at this beautiful girl here.
Yeah. It's opening, guys.
Coming right from streets of
Can you tell guys the truth? It's about to rain.
Yeah, it's
happening.
Yes, it's raining. Yes. Look at the vibe. Yeah. Yeah.
Have you guys already?
Shut up. Yeah?
From
Follow this
YouTube.
guy, I know this guy. This guy is my friend, my cousin.
Yeah.
Hello, baby.
So what do? You dancing and everything? People here for the first time they're seeing you from Claudia Walks.
Yeah, I'm Claudia Walks, Nairobi
there,
Walker.
And we can't tell what you do. You can tell them there and subscribe and everything, right?
What I do for a living?
Yeah. No, not for a living.
Oh,
What
no.
are
you doing right now?
I'm on Monday dancing soldier.
I'm watching people search.
Yeah. Like, hey,
Yeah.
can we ask you a question?
Okay.
What are the challenges you're facing as a TikToker?
Ain't paying.
Did you hear that, guys? Did you hear that? Aji, can you tell them?
Repeat again.
Ain't paying unless you're doing gigs with corporates and
Yeah, and everything, right?
But our kawaida, they ain't getting some.
But you have been doing it on a consistency, bro. I've been watching you. I like your videos and I like everything, bro.
Yeah.
Guys, make sure you
You
support
are
this guy,
doing
bro.
an amazing job.
Now, what's this? Hiki tu imenibamba.
Okay.
My all eyes are here, hata si kwenyu.
Okay, and what can you advise someone who wants to visit Nairobi?
Come Nairobi with money. Without chulu, go home.
People here talking of money. We are singing money. Yes.
Money.
Money. Okay.
Let's go, bro.
Hey, we are beautiful girls here. Hi, Muramba. How are you? Saseni.
Hey, put it up. What's the TikTok name?
I'm dear.
And there, you dancing, what do you do? Today you are here to dance, right?
Yeah.
These are your friends?
Yeah.
What's your name?
And what's her name? Okay, I'm Claudia. What's from YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, we go the other way.
Hey,
right?
yeah.
Guys, we're here. Walk.
It's raining everywhere. It's raining everywhere.
Make sure you subscribe to the Walk Road to 3K, okay?
Yeah.
Road to 3K, and we mean it.
On Nairobi Walker, guys.
Yeah, Nairobi Walker. Make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, we mean it, okay?
Yeah.
So today being a Sunday, it's happening, guys. But it seems it's gonna rain.
The weather
right now.
is not weathering,
Manze.
guys.
But
The weather is messing with us, guys.
Yeah, we have to do it for you.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we have to.
So to go Nation Center, you know, put
So
them
we're
up.
heading to Abera City, guys.
Yeah?
Gonna
Put me up
for you.
Yeah? Come, let me catch you something, okay?
Yeah.
Look at the Nation Center, guys. I want you to watch everything that's happening here.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So, hapa ni wapi?
Abera City, guys. Abera
Yeah,
City.
look at this, guys. Oh, this guy. Oh, guys, we are being rained on.
Come here, bro.
Hey, how are you?
Alisto, for your audience, give them your name.
Oh, I'm Claudia. What?
Forex man.
What's your name? Hey, give yourself a shout out.
Waiting for you.
Hi, Warembo. You guys, you look good, eh? Thank you. I'm Claudia. Works on YouTube. What's your name? What are you doing here? Relaxing, chilling, and the weather is not good. It's raining. What can you advise someone who wants to visit Nairobi?
It's a nice place.
Yes.
We are having fun.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. And you? Oh, and you? Oh, check yourself on YouTube, Claudia Walks, right? You are beautiful. Yeah, Claudia Walks and Nairobi Walkers, eh? Yes. Oh.
Hi guys, it's Min Montes again. Shout out to Nairobi Walkers. Singapore, subscribe, watch, whatever. Station bell.
And to Claudia Walks, right?
What's up? Follow pale TikTok.
Main Montes, this is a new audience. Claudia Walks, tell them yourself. They don't know you here.
I'm Min Montes. Hi
Yeah.
guys, I'm a TikToker, I'm a dancer,
Yeah.
I'm a professional dancer.
Hug this lady. Hug. Let me see a hug. Yeah. Oh, we got somebody here. You know her. What's your name?
It's your girl Nekesa.
Yeah. Who are they? With Main Montes, you know. Yeah. So we have a question for you.
Okay.
What was some utapata mkoa? Oh, this is hold on. This one anarevuanga fast. Here, come here. Okay, what walisema utatafuta mpoa, si ndio?
Yes.
Guys, you remember the girl, you know?
How can you respond that?
Natafuta mpoa.
And then
Respond aje?
Vile kuna mse pale mmoja anasema you don't have to quit from miadarati. I don't know.
you don't have to stop me
Tuache
at that.
miadarati.
You said what last time? So,
Wacha bana. Miadarati.
yeah.
Miadarati, it was a long journey. But I sijui kama tutachana.
Yeah. Okay, guys, did you find mpoa?
Sikupata mpoa, bado natafuta. Mpoa locate me.
Hold on, let me ask you one question. What do you look up in a guy? Like, yeah. Yeah.
If you feel unaweza ni handle. Yeah.
First thing, okay.
Yeah.
Check, acha niwaambie ukihandle them, you must be financially stable.
Thank you.
Bro, you must be God.
Requirement number 1.
Number 2, you must be God fearing, you know.
Yes. Ogopa
Like,
Mungu.
lazima upeleke baby girl to church, right? And number 3,
Nionyeshe njia
you
pamoja.
have to be lovable. Lazima ukuwe na upendo. You know, it's a baby girl and everything, you know. And it has been crazy, right? And what is number 4? Let her hard. Sema it mimi nasema.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Galuku bana.
Galuku
ni kai imekukosea.
Let me tell you something. I have a lady who told me that ameacha chali yake adungangi, like hana looks poa.
No luku no nekesa.
And then umesikia point yake ya 4, yeah? Guys, Claudia walks.
Yeah.
Nairobi walker.
But
Skill.
hold on. Because sometimes I just get confused about the look and the vibe.
And the vibe. But
Which one do they
which one
check?
do
Like,
yeah, which one do you?
Vibe. Luku ndakuvalisha bana.
yeah.
Guys, ameruka hiyo point tena. Ameruka hiyo point tena.
Vibe.
Look ni baadaye, si ndio?
Look baadaye.
Tutanunua.
Yeah.
Suko financially stable.
Yeah.
Luku tutanunua.
Yeah.
Vibe. Kuja hapa tuanze ku.
And I was to ask another question. Guys, when you're to watch and everything, Claudia walks and Nairobi walker, I'm asking, what's the best age to get married? Like, get married and everything, you know. We are educating somebody out there. What's the best age? You are looking for what's the best age? Yeah, you know. Uyo mpoa, you know. Atakuwa age gani, you know.
Yeah.
Mpo ukikuja.
Asikuwe sponsor sana, mbaba sana, ati uko 50. You what the fuck? Isn't
Wewe
it?
kwanza uko unaweza move.
Oh!
You can move.
Yeah.
Unaweza.
Eh?
Hawezi move. Taki. Yes,
And by the way kuna kitu kingine ati lazima mkuwe na same taste ya music. Hiyo kama napenda rumba na wewe unapenda bongo ama hip hop, doesn't give a fuck, right?
Kwanza wa rumba locate me.
This girl has got moves.
Guys, and for that reason, I want to ask my lady to do some 360. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, 360.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Let's wait.
Oh my God.
It's about to go. It's about to go.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready? 1, let's go!
I got everything.
God damn it! Make sure you follow my girl at
Nekesa Wanjiku.
Nekesa Wanjiku.
All social media platforms.
Yeah.
I will follow, I follow back.
Oh, she always follow
I
back,
follow
okay?
back. Hata ukini DM.
Na wale watu wa Nairobi waka mlikuwa mnawish them poa. You know we have found her again. She's the best girl you can see around. Around piano. Girl, oh, this is a new audience. Come here. This is a new audience, okay? Claudia walks.
Yeah.
Can you
Claudia
introduce
walks.
yourself and say, Claudia walks.
Walks. Claudia walks.
Yeah.
Claudia walks.
Yeah,
Yes, Claudia walks.
Wait, what's your name?
Hi guys,
Yeah.
my name is Effie.
Really
Mainly known as Effie Piano.
Yes.
Favorite, I'm a piano queen.
Wow, the queen herself.
I'm very pleased to be here.
Yes.
Anyway, mko poa, I hope. And yeah.
Welcome.
Ati niko nafaa kusema yes. Welcome to Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks.
Yes.
Walks, both.
Walks. Claudia walks, guys. Claudia walks.
Today, fanya watu 360.
Yeah, 360.
Yeah, 360. Yeah.
Very tight.
No, it's
Oh,
okay.
no problem.
You're good. Come on, let's
You
go,
look
let's go.
good. You look good.
You're fine. Yeah.
Wow.
360.
360. Yes.
Beba.